How to update Roblox app in 2025 easy tutorial. So hello guys, if you want to experience new update latest version of Roblox app and currently you are not seeing in your mobile phone, so how you guys can update that. For updating that you will simply go to App Store or Play Store in your mobile. So I'll simply go here. Now here you guys will see on downside search option. You simply click here. Now here search for Roblox. So I will simply search for Roblox. Here you guys can see on second option Roblox. So here I my phone says install, but in your phone it will say open update. So simply click on update. Once you guys click on update, wait for some second, and once you it get update, after that you guys can turn on it and you can experience the test version of Roblox. That's how you guys can do that. It works on iPhone, Android, and any mobile app. Thanks for watching.